Aluminum Profile 4-Axis CNC Drilling and Milling Center. The device is designed for efficient batch processing of various architectural and industrial aluminum profiles. This equipment utilizes dual spindle control technology to alternately perform composite operations such as drilling and milling, enabling automatic completion of complex machining procedures with a single setup. This device features a cast monolithic beam, offering excellent overall rigidity and strong vibration absorption capability, which ensures stable machining accuracy over long strokes. The beam flipping of the device is servo-controlled, enabling automatic processing of 3 different surfaces of the profile. The equipment is equipped with a material support device that provides auxiliary support for ultra-long profiles, enabling stable processing beyond the nominal length while reducing sagging deformation and ensuring consistent processing accuracy throughout the entire length. The system features a multilingual interface tailored to the language preferences of users across different countries and regions, with one-click switching without restarting. This equipment features dual spindle machining and can simultaneously use 2 types of tools, enabling single-pass fabrication for complex parts with diverse dimensions and features. The 3-sided flipping mechanism enables automatic drilling and milling of all 3 surfaces without secondary clamping, significantly reducing auxiliary time and ensuring consistent reference standards.